Captain Edward and First Officer Bram take you along for a fantastic cockpit flight from Münster-Osnabrück to Stuttgart Airport, and this is shown in a fantastic Air-Clips.com documentary showing the entire flight and a lot of interesting conversation on the flight deck. In all safety and comfort, enjoy the resumed scheduled flight services of AIS Airlines. And as always, their Jetstream 32 turboprop aircraft are also available for customized charter solutions all across Europe. Enjoy this unique cockpit film, enjoy this unique company, and get back into the air post-lockdown. Welcome aboard AIS Airlines.